Hi, my name is Seema and I'm here. I've just attended a wonderful workshop organized by Vaibhavi. It's been so much fun and I've learned all these things, and we finished the workshops last night, and I got up in the morning and I just decided I wanted to do another one because it was so wonderful, absolutely awesome, and I went and made something for my brother. It was like a memory for my brother, which makes me feel so nice, and it's so close to my heart. Thank you, Vaibhavi. Thank you so much. I wish you all the success in life. I wish you all the love, success, everything. May many more come and do these workshops. I will definitely spread the word. Thank you. I did all the three workshops. In the first workshop, I learned various techniques of stamping. I made this canvas board for my daughter, and I learned how to cut really well all the intricate shapes, different types of stamping, and this is like a basic for everything. The second workshop was scrapbooking, which I got my daughter's old photographs and I decided to just not have it in a simple album, to give it more maybe a more appealing look to it. And I think it's a wonderful way to maintain your photographs, to even gift your loved ones photographs. And the third one, I learned about punch craft. I thought punching was just punching shapes out of paper, but Vaibhavi taught me what more I could do with that. And she taught me embossing, which is again such a wonderful art, and this can be used for various things. The last workshop, which was an added on thing because I was so excited doing all these things, was I made this thing for my brother. I had his photographs and I got up in the morning and I said I wanted to do it. And also I made this card for him, where we put in the stamping technique and how to do the other cuts, the fancy shapes below. This shape, which I thought was like awesome, I think it's beautiful. Thank you. I have always loved crafts, and when I got to know about stamping, I googled a lot about it on the net, and then I found Vaibhavi's page, and where she had retreats. It's called Scrap Corner, and they had retreats, and you wouldn't believe it. Since yesterday, she has pampered me. I have learned so many crafts. She's pampered me to the core, and I think this is a great place to be, where you are pampered, you learn so much. She sits with you, she guides you. She just not her workshops are not based only on this. There is so much input that she gives you, which is much beyond this, which is so nice about it. I mean, people try and hide details and all that, but she is so open. She will work on your ideas, and she just goes on explaining things, and oh no, you could do it this way, no, let's do it this way. And it's like a wonderful experience being here. And the fact that she pampers is like awesome.